When you are rich but you love simple things. Dogs are like cardboard boxes are my style, not dog toys at all. You may see this on the internet many times, but it proves that Doorstop is the best toy of golden retriever ever. And ball is the second choice, I guess. This dog loves to play ball, so she comes over her neighbor every day. What if you have a toy-obsessed dog? He's definitely a gentle and sensitive man. Oh goodness! Golden toy looks like a real one. I wasn't expecting the end scene though. This dog's like Never Enough Mommy. This reminds me of a song Never Enough and The Greatest Showman. He's like it's my room so my right to make it a mess. And don't touch my toys, put it back. Everyone in this house wake up, it is breakfast now, I am hungry. Best Golden Retriever's toy for summer is here. They love water and be easy to play with them. Similar to that, they love sand and sand for a free toy is a good idea.